friends, it's Snacky here. Today I am going to be showing you my desk that I built. So this is kind of a two-part story here. It was a few months ago I decided that I'd outgrown my desk and I needed to build a new one. I did what a lot of people do and I bought drawers to go either side of the desk instead of needing like a piece of wood or like little table leg thingies. To find a desk top long enough, I kind of had to compromise a few things because I needed it to not be as deep so it wasn't so much longer than the drawers. I wanted it to be like kind of lined up. I bought a bit of a gamble desktop. It was a cheap top that I did buy, and I know that everything cheap generally turns to shit, so you're probably like, Snacky, it's your own fault. But look, okay, in my defense, it hasn't bowed in the middle like a lot of desks do, but this tragic kind of situation has occurred. So in about 3 months, this has happened. Funnily enough, the edge of the desk, you know, she slaps, she literally slaps. And this has all happened from my mic clamp here. So originally it used to be here. And even though I didn't have it super tight, it actually put so much pressure on that it caved. I don't know if you can like see it kind of, you know, it's Weet-Bix. This is made of Weet-Bix. The edges are, you know, got their own scenario situation here, but this is not good. As you can see, the desk has not bowed in the middle. Don't judge my cable management. I only just moved my PC back from being in the kitchen from a weekend kitchen stream, so it's all in shambles. But yeah, it's strong enough in the middle because it is quite long, but yeah, it is made of a Weet-Bix. The funny little story is, I've always known I wanted to build a custom sized desk, right? Ages ago, I found this place that did custom desktops, but I'd lost the website. And for the life of me, I Googled all of the keywords in hopes that I'd find it. And it's been years, like at least 3 years since I've seen this website. And I thought, you know what, maybe they just closed down or something. But thus, I got my new MacBook, right? And I signed into my Google account, and you know how when you like sign into something, it didn't back up my current one on the cloud, but it did have my one from 3 years ago. And guess what website was saved in my bookmarks? You guessed it, it was the Desk Place. So I went to their website, saw that they had the exact desktop that I needed, and I custom built that bad boy. Hey guys, I wanted to add this into the video so I could actually show you the website where I got this from. The website is called tableanddesk.com.au. It is an Australian made company, which is awesome. So to find the place where I got mine from, if you go up to here where it says DIY components and then go to the top only section here, you'll see that this is completely customizable as well. So if you have a very specific measurement that you need your desk to be, you can do that right here. For the length of my desk, I got the maximum, which was 2100 millimeters. So mine were in flush with the drawers. I got mine 650 millimeters as well. And as you can see over here with the coloring, there are so many different selections that you can get as well. You can also see here the measurements of the actual desk as well. So it is 25 millimeters thick and it is made with MDF with laminated melamine on the surface. I will have this website linked down below, but I just wanted to show you so you could actually see how easy it is to get your own custom desktop made. I'm gonna go unbox it right now.
Oh, a little bit of ASMR scratching. Thanks, I hate it.
Yes! Oh my god, unpacking this is a two-person job. There's so many layers. You see this carnage on the floor? It was like tight, and I feel like I've just like done a bloody workout.
That's what she said.
I cannot wait to peel this whole thing off once I put her in her place. Are you ready? Okay, knock test approved. This is made of MDF, which is a lot stronger than most of your typical IKEA desktop things. So if you are wanting to buy more of a durable, long-lasting desk, I definitely do suggest buying this one. It is 100% a lot stronger. It feels very similar and probably is made of the exact same stuff that my old desk that I used to have for 5 years was made of, and it was from Officeworks. Unfortunately, the maximum size they made those in was 180 centimeters though. I am going to put everything back on my desk and then I'm going to show you what it looks like when I'm done. So guys, this is the actual desk. I don't have a wide angle camera and I can't actually get further enough back in my room to be able to show the full desk because it is that long. but I do hope that you actually see the gist of what's going on here. This footage, I'm actually taking this a few days after I shot the initial video because I wasn't happy with the first lot of footage I was showing you guys with my build because the low light wasn't very well suited to my other camera that I have. But I wanted to actually take this opportunity as well to show you what I did with the cable management, because I think this might help a lot of you guys out as well if you are planning to build a desk yourself. So if I take you underneath to my desk here, I got this tubing which actually opens up. I do hope you'll be able to see this, but it opens up just here and you can clip it back in. All of the cables that I have that run under my desk go under here, which is the bulk of them power cables, which I've got feeding here. That runs over where the power board is kept. As for hiding the cables behind my computer, I'm pretty proud of my invention here. So if you see here, I actually have a hook that I detached on the back of my monitor here, which has some of my cables sitting on it there. With my other cables, I did a very similar thing. My monitor stand actually is quite chunky there, so I've got them all wrapped up nice and neatly and just have them sitting around the neck of the back of my monitor here, so none of them are actually just hanging at the back. To tie the cables together, I found this roll of Velcro tape. It was only $7 from Bunnings as well. I think it was 10 meters or something like that, which is so cheap. This is gonna last me for freaking ever. And it wouldn't be a PC setup, would it, if there was no cable ties involved? So of course I added these ones in as well when I didn't want to use this Velcro tape, because sometimes it can be a little bit of a slippery gypsy and slide down the cables. I am pretty happy with the way that the desk is looking right now. It looks so much more tidier than it was before, and at least I know I'm not going to have to move things around for a very long time. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you're interested in seeing a room tour from me. You can join all my socials, which are also linked below. Just a reminder as well, I do stream on Twitch every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Sunday nights starting at 8 PM Australian Eastern Standard Time, and I also host Discord movie nights every Friday night starting at 7:30. Until next time, stay spicy and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Doing the Mexican way. Doing the